look like a damn salmon. Uh-oh. It's a good thing I'm going left here. You're welcome, bitch. Oh, is that a ramp I see? Oh my god. Gotta brace my fucking knees on the tank so I can stretch my legs. God damn. Nah, man. I'm not gonna hit these at fucking speed. Smart of them to put them out though, because it's slowing everything down. If I had a Sumo, I'd be jumping these bitches. Mark my words. Ah, yeah, I could jump that easy as fuck on a Sumo. I wouldn't mind a garage like that. Like, I know it's not really a garage, but I count it as a garage. Actually, no, let's go right. No, left. I've been right before. Expensive stuff out here. Very expensive. You know, there's some very nice houses. I could never live in an area like this. For one, everything's loud I have. For two, I like having neighbors, but I don't want to be that damn close to my neighbor, you know? Don't work. Cool. You know, if it wasn't for the fact I knew these were coming up and those cones weren't like vaguely around it, I wouldn't know these were here. They blend in until you're right on top of them. Oh, that one's got a bump sign. That's cool. Yeah, I guess I'll hit the bump. decent corners through here though, in this one spot. There's one spot though. Oh, I got a front wedgie, god damn it!